Hello and welcome to the Cryptocity trading channel. Hope you guys are doing good. Today's video is about BLZ. We will see what BLZ is doing right now and what are the future expectations from the BLZ. So if we let's jump onto the chart, and before that, if you guys have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe so you can get the notification. Press the bell icon so you can get the notification of the latest videos, latest analysis. That would be helpful for you guys. All right, let's jump on to the analysis. All right, if you see this trend line has been holding since, so it's been 67 days. It's been 67 days this trend line is holding, and BLZ is continuously dropping during this period. So this is very important to see that it has tapped and how rigorously it has dropped. So basically it tapped and then tried to take a little support at this zone, which is acting as a good support, but this didn't help much. And what happened that it has gone to test this very important support zone. So guys, this is the scenario that in front of you guys. What we are expecting next from the BLZ is that BLZ will have to break basically this resistance and the resistance of the trend line to basically start moving higher. And for now, it seems a little difficult according to our analysis, that it is going to test this support again, and after that it will break the trend line and also the resistance at this point, at this zone. So this is going to be important. And what we see here right now, the blue line, the blue zone, if you see, let's move to the daily, weekly, we were in the daily. And if you see how important this blue zone is, so it has been acted as a resistance for quite long time. So you see the retracement, tapped, see the retracement, so tapped, see the retracement. So this is important. So this zone is very important. We are expecting that it is going to the price is going to test this zone once again, and after that it will recover. But one more scenario, which is in the possibilities. This is all about probabilities and possibilities game. So one other scenario could be that this blue zone, if price does not hold this blue zone, then we are expecting for the price to reach this support here at 0.1099. So this is going to be important, guys. Keep an eye on it and place your positions according to that. So for better analysis and for better trading positions, the setups, the proper signals, you can definitely join our Discord. We are providing free content, free signals there, and you can get the proper entries, proper TPs, and proper SL. And we will definitely tell you until when we are holding our coin, and until basically when we think that it is no longer beneficial to hold. So for now, everything is good. The market is soon going to boom. Market is soon going to rise, and there are some gaps remaining in the BTC, but market is going to rise very soon. We will do we'll do definitely an analysis of the Bitcoin very soon, and you can check that as well. Join our Discord. It's free for now, for for this month only. From next month we are going premium. There are a bundle of activities that we are going to start in the Discord, and still we are providing a lot of signals, and we have a good hit rate, guys. All right, that's all from the BLZ. Hope you guys will position yourself according to the analysis that we have in mind, that we think is the most probable, or the most possibility of which is going to happen. All right, that's all from my side. See you soon in the next video. Thank you very much, guys.